Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.